This and this is what I get for trading another pair. I lost 20% of my account trading the pair that is not my own. After losing 20% of my account, I now took this trade on my own pair. Altogether, I took three trades. I win one and lose two. Without any further ado, let us analyze the charts together. This first trade I took on this USD ARS OTC market. I took it when the market reached this point, and I entered the market predicting that the buyers, mean that the green, are going to win. At some point, they tried their best, but as God and the market will have it, the seller won the market. And the reason why I placed the trade that the buyers are going to win the trade is because the overall trend here is on uptrend, because it's over the moving average, and I consider it to be uptrend. On the MACD is on uptrend. On the stochastic oscillator is on uptrend. It is because this seller candle showed up, that is why the stochastic oscillation showed. Because if the stochastic oscillation showed, I won't take any trade at that particular time. But this candle actually make this thing cross. So I saw this slim, let me call it hammer, or I call it doji sometimes, like, but the uptrend doji, sometimes doji might be red, but this one I just consider it to be doji. I can call it anything I like since it works for me. And you guys see, at this particular aspect, I saw this type of hammer here, and it works. It respects the hammer, it went up. Also, I saw is doing this form of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So immediately I saw this hammer, I entered the trade. Also, seeing this hammer here, it respect it. Seeing this something like hammer also, it respect it. But they all say you cannot be 100% accurate or right in trading. So I want to say that is the reason why I lose that thing. And also, this is not my pair. This is not my pair. I just do iron draw because my pair is paying 0.73 cents, and the payout is very, very low for me. I love money, so any pair that is not paying me more than 80%, I'm not fucking with them. So but that time my pair was not ready to pay me 0.93 cents. Seeing this trade, I predicted it should go up, and like what happened previously, the trade what didn't. It comes like the seller one, the red candle one. I took this trade because I already saw green doji, and most time after green doji on my own pair that I used to trade, there are always two red, like two green, not after one green and one red. It should be two green. It might be inverted hammer or hammer, but immediately after that is continuous bullish spinning top. I should have another green. That is the reason why I took the trade. Also, I know this MACD here at the moment is on uptrend, but at this point is on downtrend, so I can consider it to be on downtrend. It's on downtrend. Also, this sarcastic calculation also is preparing to reverse, like it's preparing to come on a downtrend. Also, since it's on moving average, I consider it to be on uptrend. So that is the reason why I took the trade. And what did the trade do? The trade won me. I bet the trade win me. On this chart, this is my pair USD slash BRL, and at this moment they are paying 0.33 cent as their payout. You can see anything under the moving average for me is downtrend, and also this is on downtrend. The moving average, the market also is on downtrend. So immediately I saw this hammer and inverted hammer, I knew the red candle is going to definitely come. It might not be here, but it's going to be the second one here. So that is the reason why I did not waste any much of my time. I just entered the market. And when I saw this inverted hammer here, shows that the uptrend has losing their trend, their strength. Also, they did not engulf this one candle, this big candle. Assuming it engulfed the candle, I would have chilled. But these two candles did not engulf this candle, so that is the reason why one, like, let's say I'm 99% sure that the red candle is going to win. So that is the reason why I took this trade and I won, and that is my pair. So it brings my balance back to around 22. Yeah, it should be after adding the 0.33 to my 0.35. It's going to like give us like 22 point something. So that is how I won the only trade I won for the day. Moral for the day: don't trade another pair. Stick to that pair, stick to that currency that you know very well, or else it's going to cost you part of your account. Don't be like me. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By tomorrow 2 p.m. I'm going to drop another update for you guys. Peace.